Welcome to this spacious and bright 3-bedroom, 2-bath St. James extended model in the sought-after Lake Charles community. Featuring an open floor plan, a large kitchen dining room area, tile floors, a large primary suite, and primary bathroom, with a large tub. The extended screened lanai is perfect for early morning coffee. The home has a 2-car garage. This home offers both comfort and style. Updates include new interior and exterior paint, 2023 to 2024. A 2024 AC system, and newer Whirlpool stainless appliances, 2021, making it move-in ready and worry-free. The Lake Charles gated community provides residents with an exceptional lifestyle. Enjoy the resort-style pool, hot tub, tennis and pickleball courts, basketball, dog park, and a full clubhouse with planned activities and community events. Interconnected lakes, lush preserves, and miles of lighted sidewalks create a scenic and peaceful environment for walking, jogging, or simply relaxing outdoors. Located just minutes from award-winning golf courses, fantastic deep-sea fishing, and the pristine beaches of the Treasure Coast. This home also offers quick access to fine dining, boutique shopping, and Clover Park, where the New York Mets hold their spring training games.